Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Final renders of the upcoming Sony Xperia VIII Mark-8 smartphone have leaked online. According to the latest available news data, the new upcoming Sony Xperia VIII Mark-8 will receive improved cameras, an increased body thickness, and massive new upgrades. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Fresh renders of the new upcoming Sony Xperia VIII 2026 smartphone have surfaced online. According to the well-known insider on leaks, with collaboration of mymobiles.com, who published them, the images are based on factory CAD data, used by Sony suppliers, and are not assumptions or reconstructions by third-party developers. They also claim that this is the final design. Judging by the renders, the new 2026 Sony Xperia VIII is more of a subtle evolution of the Xperia VIII Mark VII than a complete reimagining. The Xperia VIII Mark VIII has the same front panel design with a tall, narrow display, with the front camera in the top bezel next to the earpiece. Earlier renders suggested the camera would be housed in a notch. It also appears the bezel width will remain the same as the previous model, and the new model will feature the same 6.5-inch OLED display. Stereo speakers are still positioned on either side of the display. At the same time, the new model will have a slightly thicker and wider body. The Xperia VIII Mark VIII measures 161.9 by 74.4 by 8.58 mm. The new square camera module will increase the overall thickness, which is reported to reach 11.37 mm, including the camera module protrusion, just over 2 mm thicker than the Xperia VIII Mark VII. It can be assumed that the developers have added space for either a larger main camera sensor, a larger vapor chamber, or a slightly larger battery. The camera module itself has also been redesigned. Instead of the vertical stripe found on the Xperia VII, the new smartphone features a square island housing 3 cameras, a flash, and additional sensors. The camera module protrudes 2.79 mm from the body, compared to approximately 1.1 mm on the Sony Xperia Mark VII. It was previously reported that the developers plan to equip the new model with larger camera sensors compared to those found in the Xperia VIII Mark VII, including a new telephoto lens measuring from 1 by 3 inches to 1 by 2 inches. Rumors suggest it will be unveiled in May, with shipments starting in June, as with its predecessor. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.